How to make automatic crafter in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just simply get your crafter and place it on the ground. Now once you've placed it, just get your hopper. So you could basically put it on the sides of the crafter if you want, but for me I'm just going to put it on the top. So hold shift on your keyboard or crouch keybind and just simply place the hopper here on the top. And once it's put right there, just simply get your chest and place it here on the top of the hopper just like so. Now once you have that, so just open up your craft right here and just disable these 3 slots to make the recipe. So I'm going to make some glass pane, so I will need some glass blocks for this. So open up your chest and just simply move the glass block right here. Now once that's done, you will need some redstone dust and a redstone repeater and a redstone torch. So just simply go a few blocks away from this, let's say 3 blocks, then just simply put a crafter circling around just like so. So place one first, then another one right here. So just circle it around, another one, and the last one right there. Once that's done, just connect it with redstone dust just like so. So after that, you will need a redstone torch. Just put it beside the redstone dust right here, and it will activate the circuit right there. Now what you will need is to break a piece of redstone dust right there and quickly replace it. So remove then replace, just like so, and it will basically make a automatic circuit right here or repeating circuit. Once it's done, connect the redstone dust here to our crafter. And as you can see, it will just automatically make whatever you want to make. So for me, I made some glass pane, so it will make glass panes automatically just like so. And that's how I basically make a automatic crafter in Minecraft.